3 kawaii queens. Enjoy the video.
Hey guys, it's Fox, or really Fox and 3 kawaii queens. And today I'm going to be giving you some ASMR, and I'm going to be showing you one of my stress balls for slime. So yeah. Well, let's
On to the video.
Let's start with the slimes first.
And she got her nails done. She had it
But
for
one of them fell off.
Yeah,
I had it for 3 weeks. Sadly.
Yeah.
But they're really cute. They're ombre.
No, they're not.
Oh,
Wolfie's here too, by the way.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna use
Okay, and this is
Wolfie. Huh? Just kidding.
That's for Wolfie for now.
Okay.
I missed my nail.
Yeah. Fell off.
Okay. Now I'm gonna move on to this slime. Put that in there. Put it in its container. Okay. So this is a blue Flarp, and it's blueberry scented, but it doesn't really smell like the blueberry. And that was pretty short, but Blood and Cuba just put our stress ball in
A frog.
but I want to take
look.
that off.
No,
So Wolfie's gonna take that off because I don't like the look of it.
Look at it. Turns purple. So
Yeah, because it's like a purpley slime inside of the balloon. We like making those. They're really cool. Okay. Anyways, so this is the stress ball. Oh. That's really cool.
So that's really it.
Yeah, that's it. Well, hold on. We have a few more slimes. Get our pumpkin slime, Wolfie. This one is our galaxy slime. Kind of galaxy. We would add glitter to it. We'll do a new one and then add glitter to it. Oh, it matches my nails, kind of.
Really.
And anyways, this is our pumpkin putty. Anyways, yeah, this is it. This one, we're trying to make lots of Halloween slimes. I like my bracelet.
Never mind. Hiya, Georgie.
I hope one of my other nails don't fall off today.
Yeah.
I'm going to poke it with this one, because that one's nail fell off.
Oopsie doopsie.
What are you doing? Oh, she's going to get some slime stuff. But anyways, the question of the day is...
What are you going to be for Halloween?
No, that was the last one. Oh, yeah, what are you going to be for Halloween? So we'll see you in the next video, and bye. And sadly, another nail fell off.